Okay, interesting new topic for a video. DIY rinseless wash in the bucket. It's 1 cap for every gallon of water that I had in here. So I started with about 4 gallons. You can see I got my DIY legacy sponge in there. The water's getting dirty, but I am rinsing a rinseless wash. Why would I do that? I have the power of a CR Spotless. The truck isn't that filthy. So I'm cleaning the panel. I'm not even pre-spraying them. I'm going to show you here, cleaning a panel at a time and actually going down the whole side of the vehicle. The very end, rinsing it with perfect spot-free water. The advantages that gives me is I'm not using soap, so this rinse is really quick and easy. It's barely using any distilled water. Second, it's flushing out all of the creases and panels where there might have been water otherwise. And now it's going to be a spot-free, perfect finish. So I am increasing my speed because I'm just cleaning half the truck and then rinsing it. I already did everything except this half. I did the tailgate, other side. So let's show you real quick how this works. Come down here. What's cool about this color of this Heritage Ford F-150, it's kind of like a whitish gray or light gray. You can see the DIY rinseless just melting that dirt. It'll be like a dirty water sitting on the paint. So I just flipped my sponge. I'm doing another section. So I'll do 1 panel red, 1 panel black. Dunk it in the bucket. I love how the dirt falls right off these sponges. Panel by panel. Finish at the bottom. There's dirt. Well, we're not using that side. We're going to the black. Look at it just melting the dirt. That is awesome. Speeding along. So I don't have to dry at the end of this. I'm going to have no abrasions for my drying towel, even though the rinseless provides lubrication for that drying towel. Why dirty up some more laundry? Why take a chance of scratching the paint? Red. Black. Love DIY rinseless. Love the smell. It's a pleasure to work with. Super slippery. But the biggest advantage of DIY rinseless is its cleaning ability. This cleans better than any rinseless I've ever used. I can see it melt the dirt. Hitting the running boards last. Okay, that side is clean. Now, spot-free water going through my Active 2.0. That's it. Let it air dry. Done. I know my output is about 2 gallons a minute. So what did I spray there for about 10 or 15 seconds? Use maybe a 1/4 gallon of my spot-free water. If you have a spotless water system, you're going to love this combination. Let me know in the comments below what you think. I know it's kind of a hack, but I love it.